Listen and practice. I woke up to the sound of rain gently tapping on my bedroom window. It was a typical rainy day, and the gray clouds outside made it feel cozy inside my room. I stretched and yawned, realizing that my daily routine needed a bit of adjustment to fit the weather. With a warm cup of tea in hand, I sat by the window, watching raindrops cascade down the glass. I decided to begin my day with some quiet reading, wrapped in a cozy blanket. The rhythmic pitter-patter of rain provided the perfect backdrop to get lost in the pages of a novel. After finishing a few chapters, I got up to prepare breakfast. The soothing aroma of freshly brewed coffee filled the kitchen. I made some scrambled eggs and toasted bread, enjoying the simple pleasure of a comforting meal on a rainy morning. As the rain continued to fall outside, I decided to have a productive indoor day. I tidied up my living room, organizing books and magazines scattered around. The rain seemed to bring a sense of calm and motivation to declutter my space. Next on the agenda was a bit of exercise. I rolled out my yoga mat and followed along with an online yoga class. The sound of raindrops combined with the soft instructions from the video made the session incredibly peaceful and rejuvenating. By midday, hunger struck again. For lunch, I whipped up a warm bowl of tomato soup and grilled cheese sandwiches. The sound of rain made it feel like the perfect comfort meal. I savored each bite, feeling grateful for the simple joys rainy days could bring. In the afternoon, I decided to indulge in a creative pursuit. I had a canvas and some acrylic paints lying around, so I began to paint a rainy cityscape. The sound of rain outside seemed to seep into my artwork, giving it a dreamy and serene atmosphere. As evening approached, I wrapped up my painting and decided to relax with a movie marathon. I watched a couple of classic films while snuggled up on the couch with a bowl of popcorn. The rain outside intensified, making me feel even cozier indoors. As the day came to a close, I prepared a hearty dinner of pasta with garlic bread. The rain had given my day a gentle rhythm and allowed me to focus on the little things that brought me joy. I felt content and at peace with the world, grateful for the beauty of a rainy day and the simple routines that made it special. With a sense of tranquility, I headed to bed, looking forward to a good night's sleep, listening to the soft lullaby of the rain outside. Listen and repeat. I stretched and yawned. I stretched and yawned. I stretched and yawned. I sat by the window, watching raindrops cascade down the glass. I sat by the window, watching raindrops cascade down the glass. I tidied up my living room. I tidied up my living room. I tidied up my living room. Hunger struck again. Hunger struck again. Hunger struck again. I got up to prepare breakfast. I got up to prepare breakfast. I rolled out my yoga mat. I rolled out my yoga mat. I rolled out my yoga mat. I whipped up a warm bowl of tomato soup. I whipped up a warm bowl of tomato soup. I decided to indulge in a creative pursuit. I decided to indulge in a creative pursuit. As evening approached. As evening approached. I wrapped up my painting. I wrapped up my painting. I decided to relax with a movie marathon. I decided to relax with a movie marathon. The rain outside intensified. The rain outside intensified. Making me feel even cozier indoors. Making me feel even cozier indoors. As the day came to a close. As the day came to a close. As the day came to a close. I prepared a hearty dinner. I prepared a hearty dinner. I prepared a hearty dinner. Of pasta with garlic bread. Of pasta with garlic bread. Of pasta with garlic bread.